Hear the unseen.
炭治郎たちと、あと何か変なうるさい足音がするな。
A keen observer notices something is not right here.
足音。変な。何か。
It means, I hear strange noise. This plural means, and others. Commonly used for friend groups. Layered adjectives build tension. Here, ashioto footsteps. Feel the suspense build up.
炭治郎たちと、あと何か変なうるさい足音がするな。